Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to follow, focus, edit and CapCut apps. So open the CapCut apps and tap on your project, select your video you like to edit, and I'm going to select my project. So I already have one video here, and to the follow, focus, edit, you can tap on the clip and select the lock on picture, and you can select the lock on subject for face or body or hand. For example, I'm going to select face and just click start to applying the lock on effect to make the follow focus edit. So it takes a long time according to the duration of the video. You can make your video shorter, and you can see the screen is below the object. So this is the final effect you have on your video. So it's super simple to make the follow focus edit automatically. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.